My legs are shaky like a Bambi legs. Ah! In my never-ending quest to find ways to humiliate and or kill myself, the time has now come for stand-up paddling. I've never tried stand-up paddling, but I did survive the kayaking. How hard can this possibly be? Hello, Mr. Water. I'm gonna be closely acquainted with you soon. There's a bloody noisy train ruining my shots here. Arrgh. If I die, burn everything under my mattress. The renter guy is hard at work. It's a tough business, this one. Oh well, no more stalling. Time to carry this bugger down there and get wet. So far so good. I actually haven't fallen in. Do I seem confident? I don't feel very confident. Where's the balance on this one? There is no balance. Bloody fuck! I think I'm getting my sea legs a little bit. Or sea knees maybe, as would be the case right now. Okay, so is it time for some more stand-up in this stand-up paddling? Look, I'm already... So, attempt number 3. One more. Maybe I need to rethink my strategy a little bit. Tell me in the comments what I'm doing wrong. That's gonna be everything. Well, I'm not really standing, more like crouching. Okay, I am standing a little bit. Okay, I'm standing. Now what? I'm gonna fall. I am gonna fall. It's actually really warm in water. I'm probably gonna post this in September, but right now it's August. End of summer. End of joy, end of all that's fun in Sweden. We have a saying in Sweden, skam den som ger sig, and that's like the Swedish version of no retreat, no surrender, but with more shame and more jantelag. Do you know what the law of jante is? Don't believe that you're anything. Oh, look at this. I'm actually bloody paddling, I thought. Look at that bloody jet ski. Maybe I should have rented a jet ski instead. I think I hate those two guys. So, what are my plans for this attempt? Maybe I'm gonna do a backflip or a front flip, or I'm gonna hit myself with the surfboard. Maybe? Oh, my legs are shaky like a Bambi legs. Ah! Oh look, people, I can embarrass myself even further. Around the island of Kungsholmen, it's a 10-kilometer route, and that's the one I kayaked. And I also tried to paddle it with a pink plastic flamingo. It did not work. I got 200 meters, I think. Then the waves and the wind brought me all over, well, back in that direction somewhere. More fun facts about Stockholm. There's actually a lot of beaches here, sandy beaches. You wouldn't think that of Sweden, but yep, it's true. Okay, I think I have a suitable audience to the left, so time for a spectacular failure. You have to think positive. Imagine that you're gonna do it, and then you're gonna do it. Is that what some people would say? I have a message for you. It begins with the middle finger and ends with middle finger. Oh. Okay. I'm officially not paddling. No, 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 don't dare. Don't you dare. No, 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 no. Stop it! I can climb Sweden's highest mountain. I can kayak without getting wet. I can go into deep, deep caves in Budapest. But I can't bloody stand on a stand-up paddleboard. Well, let's just paddle a bit for a while. I can show you some nice sights. Remember that this is August. Sweden does not look like this in autumn. In autumn, it's just rain and rain, sometimes snow, or rain and gray clouds. Yep, that's about it. Welcome to Sweden. Okay, time for more sightseeing. You see those houses? I used to live over there. It's a place called Minneberg. Pretty good place, a little bit too far off. You see those houses? That's Västra Skogen, the Western Forest. I used to live there as well, 2 months I think. It was pretty good actually, but it's a shitty place, shitty area. Don't go there. There's nothing to see except for the wonderful nature. Maybe I should rethink what I'm saying. To think before you speak, that's like wiping your rear before you've taken a dump. You see that sign? It says lower the speed. I don't think I can. It's physically impossible to go slower than I am right now. That place is called Pampas Marina. There are lots of houseboats there. Andrew, do you still live there? Hello, Andrew. And that area is called Stadshagen. Those are my hoods. But I don't live exactly here, because it costs an arm and a leg and maybe 2 balls to get one of those apartments. It's quite nice here. Stockholm is beautiful. If I ever talk crap about Stockholm and Sweden, remember that I do think it is a beautiful place. What do you think? Is it time for another attempt to stand on this torture device? My feet are getting trapped. I'm gonna blame that anyway when I fall, not if, when. Well, I think that's a pretty fitting ending. Goodbye, board. You were unkind to me. So what did I think of stand-up paddling? Well, I'm probably the worst stand-up paddler in the world. You know, at the bottom of the list. I'm worst overall. But it was still fun. And it's a nice way to spend the day, be in the water for a bit. Am I gonna do it again? Of course, but not right now. Winter is coming. Well, that's about it for today. So like and subscribe. But most importantly, have a great day.